We're going from this to that. I'm not too worried about this spot right here because I'm going to be giving this thing an acid bath. I'm masking off this, the hammer head right here, and possibly the top as well. But trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to do that. I'm going to get these all done here. Again, I'm not trying to get it perfect, but some of the etching details that I want to put, like over here and on this side, they are going to require it to be perfect. When I'm all said and done, I will go through and give this thing a satin finish. So I'm going to come over here and buff this thing with some high gloss sandpaper. Okay, so basically here we are with that piece of oak. As you can see, hopefully, the grain's running in this direction so that the head can go on here like this. So I've got enough wood here to do a hatchet somewhere right around here. And then I've got one, this is mine, I'm going to rebuild it, and I'll probably use this as well. And I've even got enough, while I was at my friend's house, he helped me mill this down. I owe him a great deal. He always takes the time out to help me when I have stuff like this happen. I'm working with a lot of old equipment. I'm not able to upgrade just yet, and some of the stuff is the kind of old where it's not even worth rebuilding. This is the white oak that I wanted to go ahead and use originally. But while I was there, not one, but 2 pieces of hickory were thrown in my lap to take home. He often gives me a lot of scraps and cutoffs. You'll notice in here, again, the grain is in the right direction. This particular one right here is going to get used on this head that I've been finishing. I went ahead and this handle broke on one thing I was working on. So I went through and cleaned everything up on the sander. I've got a little bit of handwork to do to get that project hammer ready. But I'm going to use this for that. Probably turn it. Now for mine, I know I'm going to go with the white oak. What do you recommend? Do I go with the white oak and then do some kind of a flame staining or sanding and oil finish or something like that? Or do I go with the hickory? I personally like the white oak, but again, that's going to be put on mine. But I'll leave it up to you. I have got enough fine-tuning to do on this head to get it ready for the next phase before I even think about trying to shape a handle for this thing. So I'm going to leave it in your hands. Let me know down in the comments below. Are we going with the hickory or are we going with the white oak? I give you till the end of January 2020 to make your decision and let me know what it is you want me to do. However, you guys remember this knife, don't you? We've made a decision. You better stay tuned and you better stay subscribed. The decision that was made on this knife based on y'all's feedback was surprising to say the least, but I think it's going to be pretty awesome. So stay tuned in. If you like the video, let me know. I'll see you in about a week with the update for the Kyoku knife, and I look forward to your response by the end of the month to tell me which one of these species we are going to use for the Viking-inspired camp axe. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.